Hey teachers, you've probably heard the saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words. What if I told you that pictures can significantly improve your students' vocabulary skills for successful reading? In my class, we are diving into Alice's adventures in Wonderland, and I know as my students read, they'll come across many new words. To prep their vocabulary, I ask students to analyze the chapter's pictures and write down what they see. So they can describe what they see, as in, I see a girl hiding behind trees and she's looking at a rabbit. Maybe she's trying to follow him. They can even use a translator app to explore unfamiliar words. After that, students can tackle the Before You Read section to dig deeper into more specific words they'll find in the chapter. During the reading, I encourage students to circle the new words they've learned, and I also challenge them to log these words in their vocabulary journals. Now, tell me, how do you use pictures to improve your students' reading skills? Let me know in the comments.